Hey guys, very good morning, Fabio here. Hope you guys are all doing fantastic, all having a great start to this week, because it's quite an interesting week, a lot of movements within the market. The algorithm took a trade last night once again, so 2 days in a row, and again it was a profit trade. Link is in the description down below. Furthermore, I took 2 losses yesterday, so currently at around break even, just in a slight profit for the week, but it is what it is. Some good trades coming, I believe, today and tomorrow, so let's see what is going on and let's dive into the market. So looking at the dollar index at the moment, the dollar index is still, of course, extremely bullish. I am still expecting higher price levels. As we can see, currently came in towards that range, which I have been discussing with you guys. So this area from about here to, let's say, here. And as you guys know, impulse, then consolidation, impulse, consolidation, etc, etc. If you want to know more about this, we'll make sure to watch yesterday's video back as well. But as you guys can see, currently came in towards that range, and straight away we are seeing some initial rejection. Does this mean we are going to start correcting back down towards this previous area of resistance to form support? I do not know. It is possible we could see a pullback, but I am not going to be timing this to absolute perfection. What I do know is that if we turn on our 50% body candles, is that we are currently reacting to this imbalance, as you can see over here, this imbalance within the market. However, there are multiple areas of imbalance within this area of consolidation. So let's say we do not react to this one, we could still react to this. If we do not react to that, then we'll react to this, etc, etc. So for me, I'm not really gonna anticipate on any move from a specific region, because we could have also corrected from here. All I know at the moment is that this is, let's say, a logical place to start correcting, just faking out on this ascending wedge. But let's see, we could still just keep on chopping like this inside of that overall range. So not expecting that much from the dollar index, maybe a bit of a slowdown, but let's just wait and see. Let's just wait and see. So with that said, let's go to Aussie dollar. So Aussie dollar, guys, and Aussie dollar, pretty beautiful. Like I said yesterday, was expecting more downside. Didn't come in towards that area of supply, but it did start moving down lower to exactly that minus 1.618 fib extension level, and it gave us a fake out on the 4-hour swing low over here, which is also pretty nice to see. Currently waiting for a little bit more downside still potentially, but what I do like is that we came back in towards this area of demand. For me now, it's just a waiting game. Could potentially see a pushback up before the next leg down. We are currently located on the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour time frame has not yet broken this low. It's only grabbed liquidity from this low. So still no break of structure for me personally, but it is still looking good for a little bit of further downside. But of course, it is dependent on the dollar index. I would personally skip Aussie dollar, and I'm going to be focusing on the other dollar pairs, which will come now. So let's have a look at euro dollar. So euro dollar is just not the one I'm focusing on, but it is pound dollar and Kiwi dollar. But euro dollar at the moment, looking at the weekly, like I said, we're still just inside of that weekly area of consolidation. Still expecting some form of a pullback anytime soon. But of course, it's kind of similar to the dollar index. The dollar index is also in a range. We could react from anywhere, so I'm just going to be waiting for that reaction, for that pullback, lower time frame trend switches before anticipating on any potential trades, because there's just no added value in trying to catch the bottom, right? So for now, just wait for some new structure to form, something like this area of consolidation, then push, 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 form of demand, and then take that trade. I wouldn't be trying to trade anything over here on euro dollar. Because remember, guys, taking or skipping a trade, missing a trade, and not taking a trade is also trading. So let's head over to pound dollar. And pound dollar is looking much more interesting. And pound dollar has also been playing out very nicely on the lower time frame. I think it was yesterday during the live session with the community that I shared these two zones and this equal low. So as we can see, a lot of liquidity built up underneath the low. Price came exactly in towards my area of 15-minute demand, and then just absolutely skyrocketed in towards the highs. So that was a nice quick long this morning. Had an alert set, and I was awake by coincidence. So pretty lucky, let me put it that way. This is part of the new scalping strategy, by the way, which will be explained in the VIP community, or is being explained at the moment inside of the VIP community. More on that soon. But yeah, for pound dollar, still just waiting for more upside before any potential shorts. Let's see if we can move in towards my white lines over here before looking for some further downside. So yeah, that's it. Pretty much just waiting for 1.35518. Yeah, let's head over to our last pair, which is Kiwi dollar and Kiwi dollar. So Kiwi dollar perfectly reacting to this area of demand, which I pointed out, yeah, all of last week and this week. Pretty nice to see at the moment. So what are we currently seeing? Well, we're seeing kind of like a break of structure. Now we're just seeing a pullback after that break of structure. So what have we formed furthermore? Furthermore, we have this descending wedge. So we could start breaking out up in towards the highs because the overall structure on the higher time frame is bullish. But we have main liquidity located over here at around 0.69479. So I would still prefer Kiwi dollar to push down one more time before seeing further upside for real. So yeah, as you guys can see, for now, perfect reaction to that area of demand. But yeah, personally for me, if I want to take that real high probability trade, I am going to be waiting for this zone, and from there I'm going to be taking a beautiful long. So yeah, that's it for Kiwi dollar. Let's head over to gold, our last pair. So gold has dropped as expected, guys. Yeah, pretty nice to see. As you guys can see, the ascending price action has played out pretty nicely. So yeah, now what are we expecting? Well, we could see a further drop after a potential pullback, but yeah, I'm not really gonna say too much about gold because gold is still very messy in my opinion. But for now, just waiting for a minor pullback before any further downside. 1 hour is currently bearish. So let's see, guys. Current 1 hour structure is from here to here, then that got broken, this low. So now 1 hour structure is from up above over here to here. So everything in between is just a pullback. So let's see if we can potentially react to this area of 1 hour supply, for instance. So yeah, that's it for gold, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Wish you all a fantastic day. And if you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to join the community and send me a message over there. I'm always free to help. Thanks, guys.